Okay, the next demonstration I want to go through is a product called BAL Pourable One. Now, as far as Pourable One itself, the technology around this product has actually been around for many years. BAL actually brought out a pourable adhesive back in the early 90s. And the reason for that is because tiles, as we are today, are getting bigger and bigger in size. But even then, back in the 90s, tiles were literally moving from very small formats to what they referred to as a large format tile, and back then was actually something like a 300 by 300 in size. Typically it's a very small tile these days, but even then it was very difficult to get solid bed fixing even with those sort of size formats. Pourable One is actually the next generation of tile adhesives. Its main name is actually for floors. It's the only BAL adhesive we have for floors only in a cement-based material. This itself is actually basically a thixotropic type of adhesive, which means it's actually based on low shrinkage cement. This enables it in a number of functions. One, we can formulate the product predominantly for floors, so therefore we can make it a lot wetter and actually give the ability to actually build up. And the low shrinkage aspect allows it can actually build up to 25mm thickness. So it's actually very good for the types of stone, especially if they're uncalibrated, that type of thing. Traditionally, as far as tile adhesives themselves, though they can be used for walls and floors, they've all got their own benefits. With a standard cement-based adhesive, which I'll demonstrate in a second, is literally, even though you comb the adhesive out, the problem is, as tiles get bigger in size, they literally become very difficult to actually move them around, collapse the ribs, which means you have to physically back butter in order to spreading adhesive on the back of the towel as well as actually on the floor surface as well. This actually doubles the amount of work that you're actually doing. Therefore, it's taking you actually twice as long to actually lay the floor itself. With Pourable One, it gives you the ability to be able to fix the towels directly into the wet adhesive, collapse the ribs because of the formulation, wetting out, wetting the back of the towel, enable solid bed fixing.